Can see here, this is pretty much the home screen of the football live TV application here. Can pretty much see a lot of football leagues which can check out the scores for how much, who got a red card, who got yellow card, and so forth. So let's say, for example, I want to check out the live scores that's match playing right now. As you can see here, you can see pretty much how much play, how much each players have scored so far, the time that's left, or the time currently. As you can see here, you can see this side here is currently at 5-1. So as you can see here, you can also as well tap on the match that's playing right now, and as well see a bit of preview of all the matches going. So as you can see here, this is pretty much the preview that we're getting. Nothing like a actual football match or actual visualization. We'll just share a quick preview of how the goals score and so forth. Nothing much for that, but this is pretty much how it will look. And I will just select a different option to show you how it will look as well. So if I do tap on one of these matches here, live matches that's pretty much playing right now, this is an international club friendly match. As you can see here, this is pretty much how the football will look, or how the live matches will look for this application here. As well, you can see how much each team is at, if they have gotten any red card, if they have gotten any offside or anything like that. So nothing much for this application here, as you can see. And as well, you have other leagues which you can check in with as well. So that's really pretty much it. And if I've missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see if we can help you. See you in the next one.